Breathe out. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. There we go.
Oh, shiz.
Yep. Keep it there for just a sec. Yeah, because usually what I'll do in this case is set the skull versus the neck on the higher ones. Yeah, because skull's like way over like that. Okay, so we're gonna set that real quick for you. Deep breath in, all the way out. Bring it back like this. Drop in.